Genesis has made a significant splash in the automotive world with the North American debut of the redesigned 2025 GV80 SUV. The exclusive event held in Los Angeles showcased the brand's unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of design, technology, and performance in the SUV segment. The 2025 GV80 SUV has undergone a comprehensive exterior redesign, signaling a new era of elegance and sophistication. At the front, you'll notice the newly designed Two-Line Crest Grille and the signature two-line headlamps, both of which highlight Genesis's dedication to cutting-edge design and technology. The Crest Grille, with its smoother corner lines, refines the model's elegance, while the sleek two-line headlamps, made possible with micro-lens array technology, emphasize the brand's commitment to state-of-the-art design excellence. The GV80's robust and athletic SUV persona is further accentuated with design elements such as larger air intakes and a wide skid plate design on the front bumper. The guilloche-patterned emblem adds an elegant finishing touch to the SUV's front fascia, reinforcing the sense of luxury and refinement. Along the exterior, a new chrome trim extends seamlessly through the sides of the vehicle, exuding a powerful and cohesive presence from the front to the rear bumper. Two reinvented wheel designs contribute to the GV80's solid and refined character, with 20-inch and 22-inch options that redefine the two-line design language. At the rear, the SUV features hidden muffler tips in the bumper, elevating the sophistication of the GV80's design. Key elements of the Genesis design language, including the distinctive V-shaped chrome trim inspired by the iconic Crest Grille, continue to add to the model's image, while the lower part of the bumper imparts a sense of stability with its bold body-colored line. The interior of the new 2025 GV80 continues to exemplify Genesis's design ethos of the beauty of white space, while incorporating new technologies to create a sophisticated ambiance for both drivers and passengers. A standout feature is the 27-inch wide OLED display, seamlessly integrating the multimedia screen and showcasing the harmony in combining high-tech functionality with meticulous attention to detail. The center fascia incorporates a touch-based heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system, offering drivers an intuitive and convenient way to control the vehicle's climate settings. Inside the cabin, you'll find quality materials and design enhancements that add to the overall elegance of the GV80. Elements such as horn covers with the new Genesis emblem, two-tone colored steering wheels, and an improved pedal design all contribute to creating a refined and luxurious interior environment. Genesis has also addressed consumer needs with a redesigned wireless smartphone charging tray that offers enhanced convenience and visibility while charging, an enlarged console cup holder, and a knob-type volume tune adjustment button. The 2025 GV80 SUV offers two impressive powertrain options to cater to different driving preferences. You can choose between a gasoline 2.5-liter inline-4 turbo engine, delivering a robust 300 horsepower, or a gasoline 3.5-liter V6 twin-turbo engine, which produces a maximum output of 375 horsepower. These powertrains ensure that the GV80 SUV delivers the performance and efficiency that discerning drivers expect from a luxury vehicle. Genesis's commitment to innovation and excellence is evident in every aspect of the redesigned 2025 GV80 SUV. With its refined exterior design, elegant interior, and powerful performance options, this SUV sets new standards for luxury and sophistication in its class. As Genesis continues to redefine the automotive landscape, the 2025 GV80 stands as a testament to the brand's dedication to delivering exceptional vehicles that inspire and captivate drivers worldwide